there everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video you are going to come with me to shut down the house for the evening. It's that time of night where I start to get everything cozy and ready at the end of the day and shut down the house. So I'm going to start in the living room by shutting all of the shutters, turning on the lights and the lamps, and then all of the lamps upstairs, and shutting all of the blinds and the curtains in the boys' bedrooms. My 6-year-old also has about 1 million lights that he sleeps with every night, so I need to make sure I've turned on all of his night lights as well. While the boys are playing downstairs, I'm also just going to tidy up all of the mess from bath time. There's towels thrown all over the floor and toys still all over the bath. So I'm just going to pick up the towels and hang them up so that they can dry, and I will empty the bath of all the toys. I'm going to get the boys' tablets and I'm going to clean them. I try and clean them every day if I remember, or every other day. I just wipe down the screens and I'm going to plug it in and charge it so it's ready for when we need it tomorrow. I'm also just going to wipe down the kitchen. I haven't done this since making dinner, so there's a bit of a mess on here from dinner time, so I'm just going to wipe down the sides and the chopping board. I also desperately need to clean the air fryers. I haven't cleaned them for a few days now, so I'm going to pop a dishwasher tab in each one and fill it with hot water, and I'm going to let this sit and work its magic and break up all of that hard stuck on food residue that is at the bottom of the air fryer, and I'll come back to them later. I'm also just going to spray down the dining table where the boys have eaten their dinner. I'm just going to wipe it down and get rid of any food and mess. The dishwasher is pretty full, so I'm going to put this cup in the dishwasher and then get it ready to be turned on. I did realise that I actually need to restock my dishwasher tablets. There was only a couple left in there, so I'm going to open up this bag and put some more dishwasher tablets in the jar. Then I will turn it on. I'm just going to grab the boys' school bags and their coats for tomorrow and hang them on the chair so that I can just grab them quickly when I need them tomorrow morning. But it is time to put my 2-year-old to bed, so I'm going to say night-night to him and shut the door and head back downstairs to carry on. I'm going to tidy up all of the toys that my 2-year-old has lovingly thrown all over the room. Pick them all up one by one and put them all away, making sure that everything is tidied away, ready to be brought all back out again tomorrow. I'll also just empty my toddler's drinking cups and put them on the side here. He seems to accumulate like 2 or 3 cups a day, I don't know how. Now I'm ready to clean the air fryer properly because the water has cooled down enough for me to be able to wipe it down. So I'm just going to give it a scrub and let these drain on the side overnight. Now I've read a story with my eldest, I'm going to put him to bed and go back downstairs. Time to turn off all of the lights here in our sort of family area of the home because the boys are obviously in bed, so I'm going to go into the living room and turn out all these lights. Going to get the living room ready for the evening. I have work to do tonight, so I need to get out my diary, my notebook, my computer and get all of that ready. I'm also going to light a candle because it is autumn while I'm filming this and the evening feels so much cozier if you light a candle. I'm going to pop on whatever program I am watching at that time. I can't remember what I was watching when I was filming this, but I'm just going to pop it on before I get my dinner. The boys ate separately from me tonight. We eat together about 3 times a week, but tonight they ate on their own and then I'm eating separately. So I've just made myself a little bowl of pasta, which I'm just going to serve up and take into the living room to eat before I start work for the evening. So there you go, the house is officially shut down for the night. I'm going to eat my dinner, watch my program and start some work for the evening before I head to bed myself. But guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next one.